Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates, a full guide for beginners. So make sure that you have downloaded CapCut video editor on your phone. You can use from your App Store or Play Store. So from here, you can see this option, templates. It's very easy now to upload videos with its own style. And there's no need for you to think about editing your own video or creating your own project because templates here are available. You can just type here in the search bar or search icon any themes, whether it's cinematic or slow-mo. Just choose the template that you want, and then you can use tapping that use template icon, and then you can choose from your videos or photos. So for example, this one, we will use a video to try that template, and then tap preview, and then you'll be able to see here that that video you have chosen has the same editing style with the template that you have chosen. So once you're done, you just tap that export word that you can see on the upper right side of your phone, and then you can save this to your device with a CapCut watermark, or you can save and share to TikTok without its watermark. And then if you're done, then just click save. And then if you want to choose another themes, for example like slow-mo video, you can choose anything here on the template. It's all free. And then the same thing, just tap use template and choose any video you have or photos that you have. And then once you have selected the video, tap preview, and then you will notice the change that you didn't do anything. You just use the template and it will give you that kind of editing already. So that's a process of using templates. If you find this helpful, you can discover more if you like and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.